Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to share documents during a Google Meet session. This is a vital skill for professional tasks, school assignments, or any collaborative effort you might be handling remotely. Distributing documents effectively ensures your meetings are both interactive and highly productive. Because Google Meet is fully integrated with Google Drive, this entire process is very simple to manage. First, you need to head over to Google Meet by typing meet.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the homepage loads, you will find options to either start a meeting now or set one up for a later time. To successfully attach a document for sharing, you should choose the option to schedule a meeting via Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on Schedule in Google Calendar, which will take you to the calendar interface to finalize the meeting details. On this page, enter the title, date, and specific time for your meeting as you normally would. To include your file, look for the section titled Add Google Drive Attachment within the event details. Clicking this will launch a window displaying your Google Drive files. From here, you can pick the exact document you want to present during the call. You are free to choose any file type saved in your drive, whether it is a spreadsheet, a text document, a presentation, or other data formats. Once the document is selected, do not forget the crucial step of saving your meeting. Locate the Save button at the top or bottom of your screen and click it. This ensures the meeting is booked and the document is properly linked. Now, all invited participants will have access to the file, making it easy to collaborate directly during the Google Meet session. A few quick tips. Always verify you have picked the correct file and try to let your participants know in advance so they are ready to engage. This simple method keeps your meetings dynamic and ensures everyone is on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps your next session run more productively.